Question number 31. The difference of two numbers is 1365. On dividing the larger number by the smaller number, we get 6 as quotient and 15 as remainder. What is the smaller number? Option A 360, option B 295, option C 270, option D 240. First step, let x be the smaller number and y be the larger number. First line is the difference of two numbers is 1365. Here we assume x as the smaller number and y as the larger number. As per question, the difference of two numbers, that means larger number minus smaller number is equal to 1365. That is larger number is y. Y minus smaller number is x equal to 1365. Y minus x equal to 1365. So y is equal to 1365 minus x becomes plus x. Okay. Equation number 1. Y is the larger number. Now consider the second part of the question. That is, on dividing the larger number by the smaller number, we get 6 as quotient and 15 as remainder. On dividing the larger number by the smaller number. Now which one is our larger number? Y. So y by x. Okay. And from equation 1 we can write y is equal to 1365 plus x by x. Okay. If you divide larger number by smaller number, then you will get 6 as the quotient. That is 6 as the quotient and a remainder. Final remainder is 50. Okay. Now apply Euclid division lemma. That is dividend equal to 1365 plus x is the dividend equal to divisor x into 6 quotient plus remainder 50. Okay, that is plus x equal to x into 6 is 6x plus 50. Now take like terms together. Minus 15 equal to 6x minus x. 1365 minus 15 is 1350 equal to 5x. This one you can write it as 5x equal to 1350. Now x equal to 1350 divided by 5 equal to 270. Okay. Now what is x? X is the smaller number. X is the smaller number. Here question is to find out the value of smaller number and we got it as 270. That is option C. Next question number 32. Which one of the following can't be the square of a natural number? Option A 42437. Option B 20164. Option C 81225. Option D 32761. We know that 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are known as natural numbers. Now we know that 0 square means 0. 1 square means 1. And 2 square 4. 3 square 9. Okay. And 4 square is 16. So it ends with 6. 5 square is 25. So it ends with 5. Now 6 square is 36, it ends with 6. 7 square is 49, it ends with 9. 8 square is 64, it ends with 4. 9 square is 81, it ends with 1, and 10 square 100 ends with 0. It repeats, isn't it now? Square of a natural number ends with, so here we can say that square of a natural number ends with these numbers, right? 0, 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. Square of a natural number never ends with which all numbers? 0, 1, 2, 2. 3 is not there, so 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 is not there, 7, 8, 7 and 8. Consider the options. Okay, here our first option is 4, 2, 4, 3, 7. That is, this number ends with 7, right? But here we proved that square of a natural number never ends with 7. Okay, so this number can't be the square of a natural number. Okay, now consider option B. This number ends with 4. Square of a natural number ends with 4. Similarly, C, option C, this number ends with 5. Square of a natural number ends with 5. 1. Natural number, square of a natural number ends with number 1. So here correct option is option A. Now 33. Question number 33. The rational number 441 by 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7 into 7 raised to 2 is non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. Option C, terminating. D, none of this. Given rational number equal to 441 by 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7 into 7 raised to 2. Okay. Now step 1. First step is write this rational number in its simplest form. Write down the factors of 441, that is 3 square into 7 square. Okay. Divide by 2 square into 5 raised to 7 into 7 raised to 2. Okay. So 7 raised to 2 and 7 raised to 2 you can cancel it out. That is 9 by 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7. Now this rational number is in its simplest form. And we know that if the factors of the denominator is in the form 2 raised to m into 2 raised to n, then the number is terminating decimal. Now here denominator is 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7. That is in the form 2 raised to m into 2 raised to n, right? So this number is terminating. Option C. Question number 34. The decimal expansion of the rational number 189 by 125 terminates after 4 decimal places. Option B 2 decimal places. Option C 3 decimal places. And option D 1 decimal places. Given rational number is 189 by 125. Step 1. Reduce the numerator and denominator into its prime factors. 189 equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 raised to 3 into 7. 125 equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 raised to 3. 189 by 125 equal to 3 raised to 3 into 7 by 5 raised to 3. Here denominator is 5 raised to 3. Okay, now second step. Second step is make the denominator in power of 10. We know that 2 5s are 10. And here denominator is 5 raised to 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 raised to 3. so that we can make the denominator in power of 10, right? 3 raised to 3 into 7 by 5 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3 into 7 by 5 raised to 3. Multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 raised to 3. Okay, this one we can write it as 3 raised to 3 into 7 into 2 raised to 3 by 5 into 2 whole raised to 3 equal to 3 raised to 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 7 into 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 by 5 into 2, 10 raised to 3. This is equal to 1512 by 1, 2, 3. 10 raised to 3, right? Now this is equal to 1512. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So after point 3 decimals. Sorry, after point 3 digits. That is 1, 2, 3. Point. Answer is 1.512. So this rational number terminates after 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. After 3 decimal places, it terminates. So answer is option C.
Next, number 35.
How many prime factors are there in prime factorization of 120? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 3, option D 2. Now write down the prime factors of 120. 120 is equal to, this one we can write it as 12 into 10. Okay, 12 is 6 into 2. And 10 we can write it as 2 into 5. And again 6. 6 we can write it as 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. That is equal to 2 raised to 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1 into 5. So how many prime factors are there in 120? 1, 2, 3 and 5. That is 3 prime factors. 3 prime factors. So answer is option C, 3.
Next, number 36.
If A equal to 12x raised to 5, y raised to 2 and B is equal to 16x square y raised to 3, then HCF of A comma B is option A 48x raised to 5 y raised to 3, option B 4x square y square, option C 48x square y square, option D 4x raised to 5 y raised to 3. A equal to 12x raised to 5 y raised to 2 and B is equal to 16x raised to 2 y raised to 3. Okay. First we can write down the prime factors of A and B. 12. 12 is 4 into 3 into x raised to 5 into y raised to 2. Now 4 you can write it as 2 raised to 2 into 3 into x raised to 5 into y raised to 2. Now 16. 16 is 4 into 4 into x raised to 2 into y raised to 3. Now 4 is 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2 into x square into y cube. That is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 2, 4. 2 raised to 4 into x square into y raised to 3. Now HCF of, question is to find out the HCF of A comma B, right? Equal to, and we know that HCF is the product of the smallest power of the common factor, right? So here 2 is common. Okay, and smallest power of 2 is here 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 4. Smallest power is 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2 into next 3. 3 is not common. So next x. X raised to 5 and x raised to 2. So x raised to 2 is the smallest power. Into y. Y is y raised to 2 and y raised to 3 is there. Here smallest power is y raised to 2. Okay. Now 2 square is 4. 4x square y square. 4x square y square is the answer. That is option B.
Next, number 37.
If D equal to LCM of 36, 198, then the value of D is option A 396, option B 198, option C 36, option D 1. Here numbers are 36 and 198. So first write down the factors of 36 and 198. 36 equal to 9 fours are 36, right? That is equal to 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. These are the prime factors. Now 198. Now 198 equal to 198 divided by 2, 99 divided by 3, 33 divided by 3, again 11. Okay, so prime factors 2 into 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2 into 11. Now find out the LCM of 36, 198. Now what is LCM? LCM is the product of the highest power of the each factor involved, right? So here 3. First factor is 3. Highest power is both 3 raised to 2. So 3 raised to 2 into 2. 2 here power is 2 and here 1. So highest power is 2 raised to 2 into 11. Okay. 3 square is 9 into 2 raised to 2 is 4 into 11. That's equal to 9 into 4, 36 into 11 equal to 396. 396. Okay. And now LCM of 36, 198, we got it as 396. So D is equal to 396. Okay. Option A.
Next, number 38.
Which of the following number is irrational? 2 root 2 into root 2 by 3. B 2 root 2 minus root 2 by 3. C 2 root 2 plus root 2 into root 2 by 3. Option D 2 root 2 divided by root 2 by 3. First we can factorize each options and then we can see which number is irrational or rational. Okay. 2 into, first option is 2 root 2 into root 2 by 3. Okay. That is 2 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 by 3. That is 4 by 3. Which is rational. Right. Now second option B is 2 root 2 minus root 2 by 3. This one we can write it as, here root 2 is common, so take it out, into 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to root 2 into, take LCM, 6 minus 1 by 3 equal to 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 root 2 by 3. Okay, which is irrational. This one is irrational number. Now option C, 2 root 2 plus root 2. That is 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2. That is 3 root 2 into root 2 by 3. That's equal to 3 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. Now answer is 2, which is a rational number. Next option D, 2 root 2 divide by. Okay, now here we can put multiplication sign. So it's reciprocal, that is 3 by root 2. 2 and 2, root 2 and root 2 get cancelled. 2 into 3 is 6. Again rational. So here question is, which of the following number is irrational? Option B is an irrational number, right? So answer is option B.
Next number 39.
The largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving remainders 5 and 8 respectively is option A 13, option B 875, option C 65, option D 1750. The largest number which divides 70 and 125, right? So first we can write, let x be the largest number. The largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively. What's the meaning of this sentence? If you divide 70 divide by x, okay, then you will get remainder equal to what? 5. Similarly, if you divide 125 divide by x, then you will get remainder equal to 8. Now consider an example. Divide 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Okay. 10 divided by 3. 3, 9. Remainder is 1. Here we got remainder is equal to 1, which implies 3 is not a factor of 10. Okay, but if you subtract this 1 from this dividend, that is here dividend is 10. 10 minus 1 equal to 9, right? If you divide 9 by 3, then you will get, 9 minus 0. Remainder equal to 0. That is 3 is a factor of 9. Similarly, subtract this remainder from this dividend, that is 70 minus 5 equal to 65. So here we can say that x is a factor of 65. Similarly, 125 minus 8 equal to 117. 117. So x is a factor of 117. That is this number x. X is divisible in 65 and 117. So here we can say that x is a factor of 65 and 170. Okay. But here the question is to find out the largest number. Okay. That is, here we need to find out the largest factor, that is highest factor of 65 and 170. Okay. That is highest common factor of 65 and 170. Now write down the prime factorization of 65 and 170. 65 equal to 5 into 13 and 117 is equal to 3 into 30. That is 3 square into 30. And we know that HCF is the product of the smallest power of the common factor, right? So here HCF of 65, 117 is equal to 5. 5 is not common, right? So 13. 13 is common and power 30. So here we got HCF of 65, 117 is equal to 13. So 13 is the largest common factor of 65 and 170. So option is A, 30. Okay. Next we can check it. Divide 70 by 13. 70 divided by 13. 5, 65, remainder is 5. Okay. Here we got, when you divide 70 by 13, then remainder is 5. Similarly, 125 divided by x. that is x is 30. 9, 117, 8. Here we got remainder equal to 8. Okay, that is when you divide 125 by 13, remainder equal to 8. Okay.
Next, the number 40.
If the number 91876x2 is completely divisible by 8, then the smallest whole number in place of x will be option A 2, option B 4, option C 3, option D 1. If a number is completely divisible by 8, means if you divide this number by 8, then you will get remainder equal to 0. For a number to be divisible by 8, the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Okay. So consider the last 3 digits of this number, that is last 3 digit is equal to 6x2. Okay. Here last 3 digit equal to 6x2. Okay. That is 6x2 must be divisible by 8, right? First, when x equal to 1, number becomes 612. Divide by 8. 7, 56, 5, 2, 6, 48. 52 minus 48 is 4, not equal to 0. That is, it is not divisible, right? Not divisible. Next, when x equal to 2, that is 622 divided by 8. Okay, 7, 56, 12 minus 6, 62, again 7, 56, 12 minus 6, 6, not equal to 0, so it's also not equal. Next, when x equal to 3, that is 632. 632 divided by 8. Okay, 7, 56, 63 minus 56 is 7, 2, 9. 8 9s are 72. 72 minus 72, 0. Here remainder equal to 0 means, so here we can say that 632 is divisible by 8. So value of x is 3, option C.